Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be doing a swimsuit try-on. Now, if you've watched my past couple videos, you know that I just came back from Jamaica. I was on a little weekend getaway and I ordered some swimsuits from Pretty Little Things, and my delivery date was supposed to be the day before I left. It ended up arriving at my doorstep the moment I landed in Jamaica. Okay, so none of these got worn except like the green pants, which if you watch the vlog you would have seen, or if you follow me on Instagram you'd have seen those pants that I had to wear with another swimsuit, which coincidentally was also from Pretty Little Things. Rambling at this point, but that is the backstory. So this is actually also going to be my first time trying on these swimsuits to see if they even fit me. Okay, I feel like my hands are ashy. I feel like I should put some lotion on. That's why I'm in my robe. So the pieces that I got, they're able to mix and match. They were separate pieces. I believe each like top or bottom was like between $4 or $6, somewhere there. I got a black set, a white set, and a green set. Again, I can mix and match, interchange. I wore the green pants with a white bikini on the trip. That looked so good together. So if you wanted to, if I wanted to, I could do the white bikini with the green pants, or the black bikini with the green pants, or white with the black, black with the white, mix and match, whatever. Is there anything else I want to say? No. So let's just try them on. So the first look that we're trying on is the black mixed match bikini with my black skirt. The fabric is super thick, which I love. It doesn't feel, you know, flimsy or anything like that. What else? It's a basic, literally basic string triangle top and bottom. Nothing, you know, crazy about it. But like I said, if you wanted to, you could mix and match the colors, because I got literally the same thing in 3 different colors. So I guess the rest of the video is just having it on.
I got status. I got status. You want status? See more comments, and I see commas. They gonna tell me we going down to. Let me be honest. Let me be honest. I went with the Bucks, boy. Let me be honest. I went with the Bucks, boy. Spirit is on us. Spirit is down to. God's time can't fit on the wrist. Junior wanna. Move out of the way of my release. Trying to get me off my cues and peace. What? Why can't losers never lose in peace? What? Ain't nobody around me losing sleep. Better find God before he find me. Tell the devil good night, go to sleep.
Center myself.
Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my. Ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my.
Alright, I guess that's it. The green bottoms that didn't have strings on the side, which I did not notice, but still cute, fit very nicely. This white one, I don't know if you noticed that what I did with the string is that I tied it in the back and then brought it to the front, tied it in the front. So that's another cute way that you can wear it. What else did I want to say? The bottoms, I got all of them in a size 10 and the tops in a size 12, US 10, US 12, because I didn't want them to be too small at all. Okay, I wanted enough room so when I tie the strings, it's not too tight. Okay, I wanted enough coverage to cover what needs to be covered and all that good stuff. yeah, I think that's it. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. I'll try to link everything in the description bar for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.